Hi guys, welcome back or welcome to the channel. Thanks for watching. Today we're going to be unboxing and installing a Razer KIYO webcam with inbuilt lighting. I have to say it's my first Razer product. I've heard quite a bit about them, but this is the first time I've got my hands on anything. The packaging's very luxurious. As you can see, you open it up, you get a lovely little welcome letter from Razer. Yeah, nice little touch I suppose. Also in the box you've got some instructions, which of course we're just going to quickly put to the side and never ever open. And then all that's left in the box is the camera itself. Quite a big box for a little camera. Just grab hold of the cord, pull it out, and you get the Razer with the inbuilt halo lighting or illumination. Fairly sturdy product, fairly small. Not a lot else to say about it really. Unfolds quite nicely, and you, yeah. Couple of nice little touches on it. The inside of the USB port there is a Razer green, and the cord itself is a really quite nice braided and sturdy cord. Nice quality touch. So mounting the KIYO on your screen and monitor is really easy. Position the 3 parts so it fits on your screen and just hang it over the edge there. Fits really snugly. I'm a little bit surprised at just how securely it sits on the screen. And then to adjust the halo lighting, it's really as simple as just screwing the outside of the bevel. It comes on, and then you basically use it as a dimmer switch up and down and off. Yeah, really simple to use. Really good product so far. If you like the look of the screen that we're using, or if you wonder what product it is, click the pop-out banner now and you'll be able to see me unboxing and reviewing it. You have to add it in, don't you? A little bit of peel porn, just for those that it was bothering. Just a bit of a comparator. This is the integral laptop camera with normal room lighting on. If I switch over to the KIYO, there we've got the same room lighting, obviously now looking at a different camera. This is without the halo light on, but if we turn it on, it will start to put a bit more light onto my face. Hopefully it's made it look a bit better, but it's only a light, so it can only do a certain amount of things. And then this is it in the maximum brightness. Yeah, overall quite simple to set up, quite simple to use. Hope you found the video useful. If you like the video, please mash that like button and subscribe to the channel to make sure you get all the future content. Thanks.